Disappointing, Ibrahim.
Dude, I think I failed.
Bro, I failed.
Oh shoot, you actually failed.
I actually failed.
Did you not study for this exam?
I studied for hours, bro.
Bro, this is like the main part of the AP exam. You gotta get ready for this. You think you can learn by the AP exam?
No, I'll never learn this.
Okay, how about this? We do a visual lab, and that way you learn about it.
Okay.
Alright, Ibrahim, today we're going to use a strong acid, strong base titration.
Okay.
The indicator we're going to use is phenolphthalein.
Okay.
Basically, when the solution turns pink, we know it reaches the equivalence point.
Alright, that
When
makes
a strong base and a strong acid mix, the pH is equal to 7.
sense. Okay.
Okay? The first thing you want to do is rinse your urette with the standard solution.
Okay, we did that.
Next, you want to place an aqueous nitric solution into the Erlenmeyer flask.
Of course.
Note that down in a notebook because that's important.
Okay.
Next, perform at least 3 of these titrations. The endpoint is reached when the indicator permanently changes color.
Mr. Syed, what is going on here? You're sitting down, you don't have your goggles on, and you've obviously overshot your titration.
I'm just trying to learn how to do the titration, man.
I expected more from you.
I tried to teach him.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Alright, I think I have an idea.
Mastering AP Chem, study 3 a.m. All those labs we did, learned about acids, rinse tanks, beakers, clamps, standing gives me cramps, can't measure the heat, I spit on the beat. Mastering AP Chem, YouTube was a gem, paying check, gotta empty out my ATM, gotta shout out Yahoo, always got the hookup, online work without it, Ibra helped me keep up, learning with gas laws, only need one thing, PV equals nRT is all you have to bring, Boyles, Charles and Dalton all invented crucial laws, study Tro and Sundal every night to know them all, what are all the different properties of a gas, disregard mass, they always pass and fail a glass, gases have low densities, gases can be mixed, gases exert a constant pressure on this, diffusion and diffusion real easy to mix up, but it's really super simple, so listen up. 4 more involves moving through holes for a duration, the latter is moving from high to low concentration, root means square velocity dependent on 2 parts, mass and temperature you gotta know by heart, equation is the square root of 3RT over M, crucial equations you gotta know in AP Chem. Mastering AP Chem, study 3 a.m. All those labs we did, learned about acids, rinse tanks, beakers, clamps, standing gives me cramps, can't measure the heat, I spit on the beat, use MCAT to do better on that thermo test, too bad the real MCAT exam so got me all stressed, thermo all about changes in heat energy, practice Hess's law to drill it in memory, endothermic the system gains energy, exothermic just the opposite, minus E, use calorimeters to measure the flow of heat, can measure the fire I be spitting on the beat, acid comes from a Latin word meaning sour, how I feel every time Uday overpowers, our titration always got me the best for hours, now he's hiding in the bathroom like a flippin' coward, only mess with the Bronte-Lowry definition, acid donates and base accepts quick addition, strong acids will completely disassociate, mix with the base for sodium bicarbonate, mastering AP Chem, study 3 a.m. All those labs we did, learned about acids, rinse tanks, beakers, clamps, standing gives me cramps, can't measure the heat, I spit on the beat, setting up ice tables to solve for what you need, did so many in class, now Now I can do them with speed. PH probes are easy to master, no chagrin. College board, FRQ, logic, stick it in. 7 is neutral, go lower, it's acidic. Go any higher and your substance is basic. pH plus POH equals 14, it's simple. Mess it up and your GPA's a little crippled. Mastering AP Chem, study 3 a.m. All those labs we did, learned about acids. Rinse tanks, beakers, clamps. Standing gives me cramps. Can't measure the heat. I spit on the beat.
Alright, we ready?
Dude, I think I failed.
Bro, I failed.
Dude, I think I failed.
I'm studied so hard, man.
I mean, you're on your phone all the time, but that's okay.
No, like it looks better if someone holds it.
Alright, Ben, you want to hold it? Alright, so we're gonna do a major part of it.
But I have an F.
That's not good. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's not that good. Okay, we don't need you right. So, like, for this lab, right?
Okay.
Bear with me. Okay. So, right. Start over. We're gonna use a strong base and a strong acid.
Okay.
You know what those are, right?
No.
Alright, are you ready for this? For this titration, we're gonna use a strong acid and a strong. We're gonna use a phenolphthalein indicator.
What's that?
So the first thing you want to do is rinse through your red with the standard solution, okay?
Okay. On the outside, right?
That's fine. Now next, place an activated. The equivalent point would give you 7, okay?
Okay.
Alright? Don't worry.
Is 7 acidic?
When the indicator permanently changes color. Are you? Yes. Alright, today we're going to use an acid base and a strong acid, so color.
Mr. Syed, what is going on here? You're sitting down, you don't have your goggles on, and you've obviously over-titrated your titration. You've overshot your titration. I'm not saying it. I'm just walking. Yeah. Wait, that's way too early.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, he looked at me. Yeah, you know me. Alright,
Ready? No!
Bro.
Wait, Ben.
It doesn't matter, we're not recording you, bro. I feel like you're still recording. Where are you? That's the end of the song.
Wait, is it? Wait, where's it going?
Wait, I already forgot what the lyrics are. I had so much water.
Oh!
With that.